Hey guys, how you doing out there? What's going on? This is your boy Stretch again, and this time I got some cheesecake. If I can just grab it really fast. Oh, I don't want it to fall over. Anyways, I got some cheesecake, y'all. I had to catch that before it fell over. But this one, this is plain right here, but I got some strawberries right here in cheesecake actually. Right up here, if y'all wants to see a little bit more better. Yes, and I put strawberry syrup on my um, dessert. So I wanted to do something different tonight. I wanted to I wanted to have dessert. I was like, you know what? Dessert sounds so bomb right now. It is. So it's amazing. Mm-hmm. Yep. So I was like, let me give me a cheesecake. Cause I can't cook it yet. And then I was like, let me get some strawberries. Like I haven't had strawberry cheesecake in so long, and I haven't. Wow. Mm. There's nothing like a good strawberry. Mm-hmm. With the syrup too. Yep. So I'm just like, I want to do a cheesecake mukbang with some strawberries. Why not? Right? Just have a chill night, like for real. Y'all, did y'all see the new Love and Hip Hop Atlanta trailer? It actually looks pretty good. It's like they trying to make up for lost time because the last couple seasons of Love and Hip Hop been trash. The production change up is making it even worse because like I hate looking at the show now for real. Even though I know like deep down inside it's all fake or whatever, fake storyline. I still watch. I watch the clips though, but I might watch it online if it's on somebody's site or something like that too. But yeah, so it looks pretty interesting. They're actually fighting, and oh, I got a drizzle right here of syrup, but I'm gonna wipe it off later. But anyways, yeah, I'm just like, oh, this looks kind of good. They fighting and stuff. I'm grabbing here. And for those of y'all who don't know what Love and Hip Hop is, it's a American TV reality TV show. And they got like four different versions of it. It's L.A., Miami, New York, and Atlanta. I'm talking about the Atlanta one right now. It looks very good. Mm. What's up, Bob? Mm. Definitely the syrup on the side. Oh my gosh. To the God. Yep. But yeah, I didn't put it on the whole cheesecake because not everybody gonna want strawberry on there. So what I did was I was like, okay, let me just do my little thing, put my strawberries on the side with my cheesecake, and call it that, and voila, it's a meal. It's a dessert. Cause I ate something earlier, well, I was like, I want to do something different, you know. Let me get a piece of that cheesecake though. Them strawberries is good. It's like one of my favorite fruits. So, mm-hmm. Yep. So, I'm not gonna eat too much of this though, y'all, because I'm not gonna eat all that. I can't eat all that. I ain't trying to pass out and die. Cause I'm a bad pastry eater. I eat too much of it, and that's my problem. I'm just gonna take this on and scoop it up with my hand, um, and enjoy the festivities of my cheesecake. I apologize too. Mm-hmm. You know I get messy with it, you know. Mm. Y'all love it. What's your fingers and all that? Then come back and drink some water. Yeah, some water. To give it life. Y'all, this coronavirus is getting out of hand. Like, you can't even go to the store and get water right now, literally. Every single shelf is just clear. It's like from left to right. It's like a zombie apocalypse is going on right now. For real. It's crazy. You can't do nothing right now. You got people stuck on cruise ships, people stuck at the airports. It is a mess, like, for real. Trying to go to Walmart, get alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and any type of, like, bacterial stuff. You can't get it. It's off the chain. It's like, oh my gosh. What are we doing? Like, for real. But no, the thing that I tell people though about this virus is that you just gotta wash your hands thoroughly. You gotta make sure you know, hygiene your stuff up properly. What I mean by that, taking a shower every day and using actual some type of soap, bacterial killing off of, you know, the skin type of chemical. And you just, yeah, you really have to just pretty much do that. And obviously, yeah, you know, wear a face mask, you know, cover yourself up as much as you can. And try not to touch so much stuff. And just remember, when you start touching too much stuff, you need to go back and wash your hands. You know, literally. But it's crazy out here, though. It's just, this was so like random. Like we thinking like, oh, it's just a little small little thing. No, nigga, it turned into a major thing. It's like, Anyways, back to this cheesecake. Boom, bomb. It's fire, y'all. So fire. It's amazing. Oh. Yep, this is good. Bomb. That's why I love me some cheesecake. It's like one of my favorite desserts, y'all. This is amazing. Hopefully y'all can see it. Where that spot at? Like, this is good. And I got strawberries still too. It's all good. Good. Yep, but y'all, I just want to do something different. And I think that's what I want to keep doing too. When it comes to mukbang, I want to, you know, like I said, like I want to cook some stuff more and enjoy it more. You know, and I do want to get into like the seafood and all that stuff, but I'm gonna have to learn how to do that because I'll be all right though. But anyway, here we go. Enjoy. I'll let them marinate on. Wait, how's the strawberry? Girl, for real. I ain't playing no games. Look at that. This is amazing, y'all. Yep, so I just ate like leftovers and I was just like, okay, I'll do a dessert one today. I think that's what I like to do. A dessert one and call it that. Move on, right? and eat unapologetically. And if you don't like it, oh well. Get off my channel. No, I'm just kidding. It's like, I'm not. Mm, mm. Man down. Mm-hmm. Oh, this one is messy right here. Look at this one. They got some of the cheesecake on there. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. I should have got some whipped cream and put some on there. That would have, baby, would set it off up in here. As it would have. Man, it just magical than what it already is. Mm. Baby. These strawberries is hitting no spot. For real. But y'all, I'm seriously, y'all. I think I want to start doing some of my mukbangs actually including fruits and vegetables in there because that way I have a balanced meal and it won't look like I'm just becoming a fat ass. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go to town on these strawberries, honey. Ain't no games. I love y'all out there. You guys are amazing. Take this strawberry though. The last of it. You gotta finish this off with the rest of it. Mm-hmm. Yep, that's how you do that. Mm. I love me some cheesecake. I be craving it too. I be like, oh, cheesecake sounds so fiery. And like the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my God, the Cheesecake Factory is bomb. I love their cheesecake too. They bomb, but I'm like, for that price, I'm like, and I don't care y'all call me cheap or whatever. I'm like, for that price, I could just go to the grocery store and get a whole big old thing of cheesecake. World. But hey, if you're gonna pay for it, you're gonna pay for it. If you're not, you're not. I'm probably still gonna pay for it anyway, but I'm just saying. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is so bomb. I'm loving care. I get like the little crumbs and stuff, the crust. But we at the bottom. I can't get it. I can't. I think I got it though. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is bomb. I shouldn't be eating this, but I have my strawberries, right? Well, they gone now, but that matters. That's all that matters. Mm-hmm. Yep. Mm-hmm. This is bomb. Mm. I'm loving it. Everyone, Oh, you know what cheesecake I love, but I really don't like the restaurant. It's a fast food place. Fast food place. Jack in the Box. I actually like their cheesecakes. They're pretty good. But I really don't like their restaurant though. I had a bad experience there at Jack in the Box, y'all. It's crazy. Made me not just want to go back at all. I'm gonna get some soda or something like that or a milkshake. Other than that, I ain't trying to mess with nothing like that. Mukbang.com. I'm loving it. This right here, bomb. Oh yeah, that was everyone. That was everything and all I needed to know. This right here, it hit the spot. Not how like that last meal we just like I'm done. That's it, I'm done. I'm done for the night, y'all. But I don't really have too much to talk about. All I can just tell y'all is just whatever y'all going through, keep your head up. Just keep your head up high. It's only temporarily. And it's gonna, go by. Just keep your head up high. Whatever you got going on. Me too. Cause I go through stuff too, just like everybody else. I'm human just like you. But that cheesecake though, baby, that was hitting. Smack with the strawberries on the side too. Y'all see they gone. It's gone. That's smack. I got my little drizzle right there. I gotta get that up, but that was smacking. Bomb. Diggity dime. I don't know what I'm saying now. But I just ride to the beat, hey. I just ride to the beat, hey. With my cheesecake, you see, hey. With my cheesecake, you see, hey. I just ride to the beat. My cheesecake's gone. The rest of the cake is right here. I don't know what I'm saying, but oh well. I love you out there. And this is stretch. Oh, and I love how I can see the ring lights through my eyes. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So dope. Anyways, I'm weird like that, but oh well. I think everybody's weird. And I don't care what you say. You're weird too, just like me. But oh my gosh, let me see. What time is it, y'all? Hold on. It ain't too much time for my bedtime yet. I can kick back, watch some movies or whatever. One movie that I just watched again was Ant-Man. It's amazing. Dope. And I was just watching B Love actually. I was watching her tear up some crab and stuff. So I gotta do some more homework on a couple of things, but hey, only time will tell. And in time, I want to be continuously taking my time until I get it right and, do what I got to do. Like today, I just posted up a video, so y'all can go to my YouTube page. You already know, just stretch. Click on it. It's the video right up under this one. I don't know where was I going. Anyways, I do that a lot. All I know is today I worked and I was just ready to go home, like always, ready to go home, y'all, for real. And let's see. Oh, when I came home, I cleaned up, did a little bit of cleaned up whatever in the room. Not that it ain't that bad, because I don't be having clothes and stuff all on my floor, so that's not gonna happen at all. But yeah, that's what I did. For real. Kinda exercising, because I walk home. But that was about it. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, y'all, I really don't know what I'm about to go with this here. Mukbang and thing, vlog, whatever you want to call it. But I guess I'm going to sign out. So We don't have nothing else to talk about. This is your boy, Stretch, or just Stretch. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram at I am Stretch. Literally, I am Stretch altogether. You can also find me on Snapchat at Stretch the Kid with two D's at the end. And I am also on Twitter at Just Stretch One. But the Just Stretch One is JJUST, then Stretch, and then one all together. So JJUST, Stretch, and then one all together. That's my Twitter information. And anyways, y'all, this has been another mukbanging thing from Stretch, and woo, I was hungry for some dessert. Until next time, click that thumbs up and that like button, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.